This video will cover how to set up a basic collection system transfer within OpenVDM. Here we have a basic install of OpenVDM. As you can see, there are no collection system transfers currently configured. Collection system transfers are created and managed through the configuration section of OpenVDM. As this is an administrative function, the user is required to log in. To create a new collection system transfer, click the blue Add New Collection System Transfer button. Complete the Add New Collection System Transfer form. The destination directory is where we want the files from this collection system transfer stored within the cruise data directory on the OpenVDM server. For this basic example, we're going to skip the include, exclude, and ignore filters. This transfer is going to be configured to skip files created outside of the cruise start and stop dates. The final piece of the configuration is specifying how OpenVDM will connect to the remote system. For demonstration purposes, the desired files are already located on this system, but are outside of the cruise data directory. To demonstrate this, the configuration will be set up for a local transfer. To do this, simply specify the directory on the system where the files are located. Once the directory is correctly set, click the Test button to verify the configuration. The same configuration will now be modified to utilize SSH instead of a local transfer. The source directory will remain the same, but we will now add a username and server to the configuration. On this server, SSH keys have been installed, so we'll use that instead of a password. Clicking the Test button confirms the configuration. Here's what happens if the source directory is set incorrectly. The test results show that the connection was successful, but the source directory was not found. With the configuration complete, clicking the Add button commits the record to the OpenVDM database. From the main page, the test can be run again. For more information on OpenVDM, please check out the links in the description.